This is the Star Wars lab. Starbirds, episode 2.
Still looking at this. Guys, I just made the machine. Put Obi-Wan Kenobi inside that machine. Oh, also I made a race and mine machine to make that other guy be on our team. Since that other guy traded us. I don't know really what I mean. Okay. Do the machine thing. Ow, my face! Ooh. He turns alive immediately, but he has to go through the pain to actually stay alive still. Ooh, fascinating. Ow, my face! Why? Oh, okay, it's done. Hello? You are a good guy. You're on our team. Okay? Okay. Yeah, I'm back alive! Oh no! Dude, we erased his mind. Made him look like he's a good guy. He's on our team now. Okay, but this could make bad consequences. What did he even say? I don't know! Wait. Okay. So we did all this. That's good. Yep. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very. Chicken parmesan. Barry is Harry.
Stop rapping.
Barry Harry. Seriously? Wait. This machine tells us if bad guys are coming. That's so awesome. Wait, bad guys are coming? Wait, no, that sucks a lot. Ah! They all came? Oh no! They all came! Oh my gosh! Guys, let's go into this platform thing and let's leave. Everyone, leave! Leave now. Leave. Yeah. Guys, what about me? Ah! Okay, let's go.
This is our turf now. We got a bigger area. We're gonna rule this town. Are they gone? Yes, they're calling me master. Good. This is our turf now. Angry Bird!
Oops, I accidentally fell off of the ship. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
For nothing!
Wait, I can join your team again and you won't kill me?
Yes.
Okay.
This is our turf now. We have this control panel that we got.
Ooh.
No touching.
Aww.
To install it first. And then the emergency ship will be right beside it.
Okay, I'm just saying one of our people fell. If you didn't notice. Right here.
Everybody in the attack ship, we're going back to the ship and leaving our turf for now. But we're taking everything with us. And we're gonna have mercy.
Okay. Now. Oh, come on. We seriously have a chance and then we just lose our whole entire life. I'm just happy that we know that you can talk now, Chewie. Oh, Willie cares. Okay. Okay, I get it. Well, that sucks. One of our team members just traded their lives for us. We're back again with 4 people on our team. Hey, what about me? No one cares about you. Go kill yourself. No! I want to be on your team. Yeah, sir. Does have 4 arms. We don't even have arms. Well, he still has 4
Those are
light.
lightsabers.
Well, he still has 4 lightsabers. Oh yeah, you're right. Well, let's go. I forgot to say, we don't have the machines anymore. I have to remake them all from scratch. Seriously, that was 10 hours. Sorry, but I'm gonna make them. Well, wanna grab some tacos? Yeah, I want some tacos. Yeah, let's go, bro. Well,
On the ship is where they belong.
yeah,
Control system. We have a new take-a-wish.
and a new teammate.
Oh yeah, and the new teammate. Yeah.
Nobody, I mean,
Guys,
Jabba.
what do you want?
My name isn't Innocent Young, it's Innocent Joey.
Joey, welcome.
Okay.
That's it. I have to kill this boy for food.
No, please. Ow.
We just lost a member of us. Okay, keep shooting me again. We just sleep. How about let's just do it to be continued. Well, everybody, we lost another member of our team.